Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris. Hope everybody's doing all right this evening. Got another video for you guys. It's going to be a Steven Wizard build called the Minx, and it is the Kodi 17.4. Yes, you heard it. Kodi 17.4 Krypton version. So for those of you guys that were wondering whether we were going to have to start switching over to Kodi 17.4, not necessarily just yet, but a lot of the developers like Steven is going ahead and creating the builds in the 17.4 format. Alright, so thank you guys for watching the videos. One of the things I want to definitely tell you guys is that I'm back. Glad to be back after 3 long, grueling weeks out of town. Or back and forth out of town, I should say. So you guys are going to start seeing more videos, I promise. I know I've not been able to actually keep you guys updated as much as I wanted to those last 3 weeks. So thank you guys for being patient, but I am back, thankfully, and we're going to start seeing some more. Tonight you're going to see a download and instructions on how to navigate through it. You're also going to see from here how we're going to get out of the build and then do a reset of the build, all right, or a fresh start of the build. So that way you guys will be able to actually delete the build if you don't like it, and then you can go on with a new one, okay? Now you are going to have a 17.4 Kodi. So if you do not have one, you're going to have to actually go in and watch my video on how to do that. It's very simple, okay? I walk you through it step by step, and it doesn't take very long at all. All right? So again, thank you guys for watching the videos. I really appreciate it. If you all have not watched my videos, and this is your first time watching the videos, please subscribe. And I'm telling you why. If you watch any of my videos at all, eventually we're going to do another contest giveaway. We've already given away a Lil Box Q2. And now that I'm back in town, Butch, I will send that to you if you are watching this. I'll probably send it out maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. So I've got all your information still, and I will be giving that to you guys. But in order to be able to enter the contest, the first and foremost thing that you have to do is you actually have to be a subscriber. All right? So make sure you click on the link below, hit subscribe. Also click on the bell. That way you guys are notified of any new videos. Where I've been out of town a lot and not been able to make videos. This way, if I come out with a video, you guys will be updated immediately. You'll see my notification, and you'll be able to watch the video. So this is an important video tonight. This is called the Minx build from Steven Wizard. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to download it and install it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through the build review. As you can see, you've got your menu going vertical. You've got search, movies, TV shows. You've got TV, kids, sports, music, add-ons, favorites, settings, and then we're back to search. The one great thing about this build is it's only a little over 200 megabytes, so all devices should be able to use this perfectly, okay? But keep in mind, you do have to have Kodi 17.4 Krypton. All right, so first thing I did was clicked on search, and you can do a browse search, people search, simple movie title search, simple movie, or excuse me, TV title search, or you can add a search. All right, so let's check this out. We're going to go into simple movie title search, and we're just going to type in Dunkirk. First thing that came to my mind. Okay, if you look down at the bottom, we don't even have to finish typing it out. It's there. Just click Dunkirk and then done, and there it is. That quick, guys. All right, so pretty awesome. We'll go ahead and backspace out to movies. 2 options here. You can go to the left, and you've got Box Set Kings, Poseidon, Movie Sites, Covenant, Flixnet, Flixanity, StreamHub, Falcon Project, and Benu. We can click on any of these. So let's go into Poseidon. And there's your menu items for Poseidon. Let's say we want to go into year. And then see the movies that are in 2017. And there they are, the releases of 2017. And as you can see, some of the top movies out in theaters right now. Now, I will forewarn you, a lot of these movies you're not going to be able to actually watch until they at least get closer to the release date on the DVDs, or unless they've been in the movie theaters for a while. And then a lot of times you'll get either screeners or sometimes cam views. Alright, so we've clicked to the left, we saw our options there. Click to the right, and as you can see, you can scroll up or down, and you have your most current or up-to-date or top watched movies right there on widgets. Alright, so let's go down. We got TV shows, same thing. Click to the right, and you've got all the TV show options here in your widgets. These are some of the most popular. Click to the left, you got Benue, Poseidon, Falcon Project, Stream Hub, Flixanity, Flixnet, Covenant. So let's go into Falcon Project, and you got your genres, and let's go to comedy. And we'll give it a second. And there's all your TV shows that are under the genre of what we consider comedy. Alright, so moving on. Scroll on down, we got TV. You can click to the left. You got Made in Canada, IPTV, and Stream Hub. Now these are going to be your live TV events. Alright, you can click on TV. And you have a server 1, server 2, and server 3. And there you go, guys. There's a list of live TV. You can also choose server 2 or server 3, and it gives you a lot more options or channels. There's NFL Network, NBC, NBA TV, National Geographic Wild, History, Fox, and as you can see, you got a lot of great choices. Now, when I tested this earlier, it was running really slow. So, and I have super fast internet speed. So, just kind of bear with it. You know, live events or live TV shows, as always, are hit or miss. Okay. All right. Next, we got kids. You can click to the right, and you've got your kids movies. You can click on kids. And you have Bob Unleashed. So I've had several people ask me about Bob Unleashed. Well, here you go, guys. You have Bob Unleashed, the add-on in this. So there's you some kids options. All right. Scrolling down, we got sports. You can click on sports. And there's Sky Sports, BT Sports, BN, PAC, live events, other sports. So great options there for you guys. You can click to the right, and you have the widget options as well. All right, if you click to the left, you have Benue Live, Bob Sports UK, Turk Sports, ESPN3, and the ever so popular Sports Devil. All right, moving on, we've got music. If you click on the music menu item, there's all of your now CDs, all at your fingertips. And then click to the right, and you have the widgets as well. Every single one of them. Great music involved there. If you click to the left, you've got MP3 Streams, Karma, and Django. These are three of the best music library live or video add-ons. I love MP3 Streams. If you have Spotify, it is a lot like Spotify. It will have the newest releases out as of today, and it's in full album format to where you can listen to the full album, or you can browse by actual tracks on the album. Very awesome, guys. Okay, next you have add-ons. Click to the left. You can choose between these. Click to the right, and here's a list of all of your video add-ons. And As always, any build you can make it your own. You can actually add any add-on you want as long as you knew what the URL is. And then you have favorites. You also have settings. If you click to the right, go down to add-ons. This is where you can install from your zip or install from repository. Or you can go in and view your add-ons here as well. Okay. You can also click to the left, and there's your file manager. Here you can click on this, and as long as you know the URL, there you go, that you can add the source to that. Alright, so this build is very simple and very basic, but it gets the job done. It has the right amount of add-ons, and it looks appealing to me. So I would definitely recommend checking this out. Try the 17.4, like I said. You'll find that there's not that much difference in the Kodi. All right. So now we're going to go out to our main menu. So just go ahead and click your main menu, and in your device, whatever device you're using, you're going to go into Settings. Then you're going to scroll down to Apps. Then you're going to scroll down to your Kodi. Click on it. Then you're going to go ahead and force stop. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Clear Data, hit OK, and then Clear Cache, OK. Now, if you have a Fire Stick, you may have to do this several times. I noticed a lot of times when I had my Fire Stick and I was doing this, I noticed that I had to do it at least 3 or 4 times, back out, back in, back out, back in. But to me, this is better than installing a fresh start if you can't find a fresh start. And doing it that way, because there's several other options that you have to do when you do a fresh start option. Alright, so we're going to give it a minute or so here, and you can see right now it says clear data, okay, and then clear cache. You noticed now it's down to 0, so that means that we have successfully deleted the build, and we've also fresh started it. So let's go back, go up to our menu item, go into Kodi, and as you can see, version 17.4 Krypton, preparing for the first run. If this is your first time doing this, guys, no worries. It's very simple. Just follow my basic instructions, all right? Now I'm going to show you guys how to download Steven Wizard's Minx build. So the first thing we're going to do, as you can see, this build, or not build, but this Kodi is the 17.4 version, and it is almost exactly like your 17.3. So no worries. I know when you went from Jarvis to Krypton, there was a big change in the layout and everything. Here, there's not that much change. So that's a good thing for you guys. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, as always, we're going to go up to the gear, click Enter. Then we're going to scroll down to System Settings. Then down to Add-ons, click to the right. Down to Unknown Sources, click Enter. That's going to bring up your warning box. Go ahead and hit Yes for me. That's just your standard warning. Then you're going to click one time back. Go down to File Manager. Go down to Add Source, click Enter. We're going to go ahead and click Enter again. Type this URL in just like I type it in. It's for Aries Wizard. So it's http://Aries hyphen. So we'll have to go down and change our characters. Back down, change them back to your alphabet. repo.com. Or I'm sorry, it's not .com. That was my fault. It's actually .eu. So delete your com there if you've already got it. If not, it's aries-repo.eu, and I do apologize about that. Alright, so now we want to go over to OK, click OK, and scroll down. We have to name it. So we're going to just name it Aries. Okay, once we've got it named, go over and hit OK. Scroll down, hit OK. And as you can see, you've got your source URL added in there. Now, as always, we're going to backspace 2 times. And then we're going to go down to add-ons, click enter. Then up to the install box, click enter. Then down to install from zip file, go ahead and click enter. Down to Aries, click enter. Down 1 space to repository Aries project, click enter. And then we're going to give it a second for the add-on installed box to pop up. If you click on my add-ons and then back, it would show currently downloading add-ons. When that disappears, you'll see the box or icon at the top show that it has been installed. So that's a quick way to actually leave and then not have to worry about missing the little icon at the top right screen. Alright, so once we've got the install from zip file completed and the add-on installed, icon pops up. We're going to go into install from repository, down to Aries project, down to program add-ons, and then to Aries wizard. Click enter and then go ahead and install your Aries wizard. You'll know that it says add-on installed at the top and a check mark to the left of your Aries wizard when it is completed. So once it's completed, you have that. Go ahead and click enter. Scroll all the way to the left, click open. And then we're going to let it do its thing. Okay, and the new look of the Aries wizard. I love the circle turning with the A inside it. Pretty cool. So we're going to give our Aries wizard menu time to load here. As you can see, Kodi 17.4 is very, very similar to 17.3. There might be some minute changes, but it's very simple to navigate through if you already know how to do it. Alright, so we're in our main menu. We're going to go into Browse Builds. We're going to go down to the menu called Steven. Right there. Go ahead and click enter. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the one that says Minx build right there. All you have to do to load it is click enter. It's going to take you to the install box and then you just hit install and then proceed. Now I'm not going to go any further. What you're going to see is you're going to go through this. It's going to download and then it's going to extract the files and then it's going to ask you 2 things. You want to hit no twice and then hit OK, and that's going to force close your Kodi. Okay, so once again, once you get down through the download and the extraction process, it's going to have a box that pops up and says, do you want to back up your skin? You hit no. Then it's going to ask you if you want to join the contest. You hit no. Then it's going to tell you that you need to force close Kodi. All you have to do is hit OK. It's going to take you back to your main menu, and then very simply all you have to do is go back in your Kodi and the build will come up. Make sure that you give the build enough time to actually download its shortcuts. Okay, that's the key. Don't start navigating through until you're done with that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know one way or the other. Definitely click on the link below if you haven't subscribed. I definitely want to see every one of you guys get a chance to win a device if we give a giveaway or do a giveaway. So we've got a couple other things that I may give away as well. I've got a mini keyboard from Lilbox, and I've got a AVGA adapter for a cell phone or for your iPad or iPod or anything like that. It's got the screencast so that you can actually view what's on your phone on your large TV. So we may be giving those away as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you all.